So for one cake, we're gonna need 4 stick of unsalted butter. Gonna need salt, a pinch of nutmeg, not too much, and a dash, maybe 3 corks or 4 corks of vanilla extract. Baking powder. Gonna need about a good amount of, not too much though. Gonna need browning. Yeah, a little goes a long way. So while you're adding the browning, make sure that you add a little because you don't want to put too much and then, yeah. Then one of the main ingredients we're gonna need is Jamaican RAY and NEPHEW white rum. Yeah, waterproof rum. Yeah, NEPHEW Jamaican rum. And we're gonna need the main ingredients is Jamaican RAY and NEPHEW red label wine. Yes, we're gonna need that. And I end up using 2 bottles of it, so yeah. And then in this jar, I soak some raisin, about 3 pack of raisin, in half of with some rum and some wine. So yeah, I soaked that overnight, and yeah, that's what I did. So that's the first thing I did is just soak the raisins, and we're gonna need about 6 to 7 to 9 cups of flour. And we're gonna need that whole bag of sugar. And we're gonna need about 6 eggs. I use 6, but I think we're gonna need about 8 more eggs. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out our measuring cup. Yes, and then I'm gonna melt the butter so that it can be easy. It can be easy for me to. But I use 2 sticks of butter, but I should use 4 sticks of butter. So keep that in mind. 4 sticks of unsalted butter. You don't want to use salted butter when it's unsalted butter. So I'm gonna melt that in the microwave, and yeah. So that's done melted. I'm gonna go ahead and use my spoon and crush it. But then I think you should melt your butter all the way, like really melt your butter all the way, because I didn't melt mine all the way. I didn't have a little lumps, like a little lumps of butter in the mixture. So make sure that you melt your butter all the way. If you do have a mixer, make sure that you mix it and so forth. Yep. And I did said 3 cups of sugar. Yeah, it should be the whole bag of sugar because empty number. So y'all see that hand behind me? My mom, she's helping me in the kitchen. Yeah, but yeah. So how was y'all Christmas going? Actually, I didn't bake for Christmas because I didn't have any wine here. I didn't find any wine here in Texas, so I ended up went online and I found a place that I use that online store on Instagram that sells Jamaican wine. So I caught me, and yeah, so I got it for like so this is the cake for New Year's. Yeah, I'm pretty late on this cake. Yeah, but I ended up making it for New Year's, so yeah. So what I do is that I use my wooden spoon and then I cream the butter with the salt, the baking powder, the vanilla, the nutmeg, and yeah, that's what I did. So I keep creaming it. Just creaming. Still cream, just keep creaming it until it's creamed. Then after I do that, now I add my eggs to the pan, and then add my eggs to the pan. So yeah, let's cut this part. So guys, so after I so after I put my eggs in it, I just keep whipping until it's like a very smooth, soft mixture. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, so I filmed a whole intro, and then I ended up didn't put it in there because it wasn't so Yes, I decided to use some voice over. So y'all, yeah, so I gotta keep whisking. I'm doing the old fashioned way, y'all. I'm doing the old fashioned way. Keep whistling. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna come back once everything is in the wet mixture. So I'll see now. Okay, yeah, the next thing I'm doing is that I'm adding cups of flour into my wet batter. So is it wet batter? A wet mixture? Yeah, adding my flour into it. So I add about 3 cups, then 4 cups, then half. I think I had about 5 or 6 to 7 cups or 9 cups. But yeah, it was okay. So yeah. So after now, I get my mom to help me pour in the wine into the mixture, and yeah, and the rum too. Yeah, that cake came out bomb. It's like bomb.com. Like, like oh my god. Like if I was in Jamaica, my grandparents would have made the cake. Would have been the one that's making the cake. Since I'm in America now, yeah, I'm the one making the cake. So and then keep mixing. Oh yeah, see, told you I use a 2 bottle of wine. So I keep mixing. So I end up putting some of the wine and the rum into a spray bottle and keep it aside so I can wet the top of the cake so it can be really moist and glammy and delicious. So, but yes, y'all, so I keep doing that, and y'all, my hand gets really tired. Like, yeah, mixing this is no joke. It's like a job, like putting all your work into the cake. So no lie, I went and then I go for the old mixture. I go for the mixture, and then yeah. So while you keep mixing it, you gotta keep pouring wine until it's at a nice mixture. It's at the perfect mixture. Then it's not gonna be too thick, not too thin, but the perfect one. So I end up getting the mixture, and then yeah, I end up doing it off camera. So yeah. So I see you guys once all the batter is beat out and there's no lumps in it. So see you guys. Okay, so I end up blending the raisins that was soaked in the wine and the rum thingy. So I end up blending it because it was just so, yeah, I didn't want to put it in there like that, so I just blended. So yes, y'all. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post videos like these. Yes. Comment down below what video you want me to do next, and I sure got more video ideas that can be here. So yes, y'all. I see you guys in another one. Bye.